Computer science isn't just about coding, and most people misunderstand it. When you hear computer science, what comes to mind? Someone staring at a screen full of code? A hacker in a hoodie? Or maybe just math? Here's the truth. Coding is only a small part of computer science. And if you think computer science is just learning programming languages, you're missing the bigger and more interesting picture. In this video, I'll explain what computer science actually is, what computer scientists really do, and why it's more about thinking than typing code. So what is computer science? At its core, computer science is the study of how problems can be solved using computers. Not how to use computers. Not how to fix computers. But how to design solutions that computers can execute. It's about asking questions like, how do we turn a real-world problem into something a computer understands? What's the best way to solve it, and how can we do it efficiently? Coding is just the tool. Thinking is the real skill. The heart of computer science is problem solving. Computer scientists take big, messy problems and break them down into small, logical steps. For example, imagine you're building a food delivery app. That's a huge problem, right? But computer science teaches you to break it down. How does a user place an order? How do we store restaurant menus? How do we calculate delivery time? What happens if something goes wrong? Each of these becomes a smaller problem. And each small problem can be solved logically. This way of thinking is called computational thinking, and it's useful far beyond computers. It helps with planning, decision-making, and even everyday life. Once you break a problem down, you need a solution. That's where algorithms come in. An algorithm is just a clear, step set of instructions for solving a problem. Think of a recipe. Get ingredients, preheat the oven, mix, everything bake for 30 minutes, that's an algorithm. In computer science, algorithms tell computers exactly what to do, how to sort a list of names, how to find a specific photo, how to recommend a YouTube video. The key idea is this: computers don't think, they follow instructions. And computer scientists design those instructions carefully. Now here's where computer science gets really interesting. It's not enough to just solve a problem. Computer scientists ask, can we solve it faster? Can we solve it using less memory? Can we solve it more smartly? This is called efficiency. For example, imagine searching for a name in a phone book. You could start at page 1 and check every name. Or you could open the book in the middle and narrow it down. Both work, but one is much faster. In computer science, choosing the right algorithm can mean a website that loads instantly or one that crashes when too many users join. Let's look at a real example, Google Maps. When you ask Google Maps for the fastest route, it's doing computer science in real time. It considers distance, traffic, speed limits, historical data. Then it runs algorithms to compare thousands of possible routes and picks the best one in seconds. That's not just coding. That's problem solving, algorithms, and efficiency working together. Here are what computer science is not. Let's quickly clear up a few myths. Computer science is not just typing code. It's not memorizing syntax. It's not fixing printers. Programming languages change all the time. But the thinking skills stay the same. Once you understand computer science concepts, learning new languages becomes much easier. So what is computer science? Computer science is breaking down problems, designing clear instructions, finding smarter and faster solutions. It's structured thinking, not just typing code. And whether you want to build apps, work in AI, analyze data, or just become a better problem solver, computer science gives you a powerful way to think. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe. In the next video, we'll talk about what computer scientists actually study and why it is not as scary as it sounds.